When I discovered YouthWorks, I feel like I got incredibly lucky.
YouthWorks is a Massachusetts state-funded workforce development program designed to help young people between the ages of 14 to 25 develop skills and gain hands-on experience while navigating career pathways.
Being able to have interns come in and not only work side by side our team as a paid internship, I think that's just huge to be able to offer that.
One of the benefits of having interns from that specific YouthWorks program is their skills and the skills they've developed through that program and how they put the skills into practice once they're here.
I've learned a lot from YouthWorks. I think a lot of what I have learned right now that I've seen like the biggest change from the beginning to now has been learning my way around the career as a whole and not just our office, because that's what I have to learn.
Signal Success was great because there are programs that help you target specific things.
Participants receive training in core soft skills, identified as key skills by employers through the Signal Success curriculum.
It's all about preparation and giving you all the tools in your hands so that you can succeed and do the best that you can.
I love that there's an opportunity for the interns to be able to try out real estate, try out carpentry. Maybe they want to do something in the nonprofit field. There's just so much opportunity for them to really explore and learn and find what they're passionate about and what they like to do.
I definitely don't think I would have gotten to the point that I am right now without their help. I think it would have taken a lot more extra work on my side for me to get here. So yeah, I think they help a lot.
YouthWorks, putting teens and young adults on the path to employment.